Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by making sure the iPhone 15 is updated and Dynamic Island is enabled so inputs and visuals sync. Once done, open the Dynamic Island game and accept motion and haptic permissions. This lets the game use the top sensor area for interactions. Make sure your screen brightness and touch calibration are optimized so taps register reliably. Start the first level immediately to load assets. This reduces stuttering and primes the Dynamic Island for responsive micro-interactions during play. You now focus on control patterns. Quick taps on the island trigger short actions, while press and hold charges stronger moves, so alternate these deliberately to conserve energy. As you play, watch the Dynamic Island animations carefully because they act as timing cues. Sync your inputs with visual beats to maximize success. Once you understand rhythm, start combining tilt gestures with taps to execute advanced maneuvers. This layering increases score potential. Practice a repeating sequence until it feels natural, then increase speed progressively to push skill. You finish runs by chaining combos and deploying Dynamic Island specials at peak moments to multiply points. Timing is everything, so execute boosts when visual cues align. Once done, save replay clips and review them to spot timing errors and inefficient sequences. Watching frame by frame reveals small input delays. If the game stutters, force close the app and reboot the iPhone, then verify motion and haptic permissions. If problems persist, reset touch calibration or reinstall the app. These steps resolve most performance and input issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.